This is a very special vlog. What's up, friend? How are you? Well, as you probably sang the title and the thumbnail of the video, I said that I am returning to competition. Sign always. I have returning to competition. Sign always. I have been a motorcycle racer, but in the world of car, I have never completed before. However, this weekend in 2021, I have my first karting race in the Spanish Channel Karts Championship. This racing will take place at the Jugos Vichel circuit, and I am going to complete against more than 18 drivers. The 18 drivers will be divided into 4 groups. Saturday will be the qualification day, where we will do 2 sections for group, and from the combined time only 20 driver will qualify for Sunday. Sunday will absolutely be race day. I have prepared well and brought some great racing gear to complete in this big race, always titled the Atlas. Red and getting closer, and we are improving the car more and more, as you have seen in the previous website. You already have website 1, website 2 and website 3 of the CRV 4x4 project. Many more website and coming, but for now we facing the ITV inspection and style the shockle. If you want me to film and upload vlog about my physical preparation for the kart competition and the Atlas, right? Everyone leave and like and comment below the why I will now. You are increasing interesting, or better said that you will enjoy it. Now let's move on to show you the unboxing for my new competition equipment 231 Let's go. Inside this book we have all the gear, so we are going to open everything piece by piece so I can show you my choice. First I am going to show you all the equipment so you can see this suit, gloves, bows, helmet, etc. Then once you have seen everything and all the epic shot, we will but it all on so you can see me creased and racing driver. First we have this Sparco back hair made and the athlete. So let me show you my racing sword. As you can see, it's a Sparco sword with the red and black detail, just like our motor red and black, and this shadow or red and incredible because it reminds me of Prera and color. We will leave that aside, and now let's move on the gloves. Let's go Sparco, and will my god of Sparco glove, guys. Red glove is so that from the outside people can see my red hand. Honestly, we are brutal. Here is the other on, and that what the racing gloves look like. Little by little we are getting to the best part, and I am saving that for the ring and PFIA homologated helmet. But first let me show you the bows. This accessories is here are just for this spoiler. The spoiler is plastic. I did order it, yet we will order it after this company championship rising. Here we have that both GT2 I wow, amusing wow, and incredible log that even come with blue and red shoelaces, and cause I want to change them, but I think that would look at taking, so I am leaving them completely black. God, incredible. Also that the end of the video we are going to customize all the gear. We will see how we start customizing the bows, gloves and the sword. Now the best part and coming close, the racing helmet. I still haven't seen it yet. I still haven't seen, and both according to the brand they customize and of the wow bread. Got luck at this madness. Wow, let's go, guys. We friend eyes. Can you see the helmet is white? Absolutely, it's not going to stay with. We are going to work with TMR Customer located in Teresa, and they are going to brand and really look why. We are also going to make a personalized design, but for this for and rising IS them to but my name Automoto on the wizard and next to the YouTube logo. What do you think, friend? Pretty cool, right? Also, this helmet isn't just for karting. Let's also for if one day I want to really racing darker at Ulster Red or anything else because it has PIA homologation friend. So it's why of everything will friend. No, we are going to try on all the gear. You will be the first one of racer because I still haven't tried its on yet. So any friend, let's continue with the video. Oh, this is very important message per Pedro profession and everything. Whole message is say, hey, I come from Mexico Motor YouTube video. We will get a 10% discount on their first purchase, whether it is on working and t-shirt, a cap, etc. So I would take advantage of the opportunity because let's worth as well, friend. We are going to finish the vlog. Here are absolutely I value now and servant brand content to brand contented me because I announced that I was going to do a little karting and all that printing content in me. So print the helmet, but honestly the person I am super happy with really stop up. We are going to do it in a very short amount of time, but it is at what we are here to help each other. So here we have it. We are going to do it in 1 week actually lease by Pride lock at his helmet. Okay, let's get to work. How do you see it perfectly already? Then let's start and see what we can do. We already have the design and mind, or so let's create something called do you at it do you at log a wisdom. This is on longer just for karting but also for competing racing. Yes, well friend, the helmet and finished now. First of all, apology because in the end we couldn't record the wall processes this legend vegan Java from TMR customer. We have amusingly see he also finished the helmet in 3 days, which I think nobody else called. Hold on, I was incredible. So explain and little about the step you follow. Science we couldn't film at all. You did it. So tell us, will we decided to put your racing number from when you rode a motorcycle? Then we adapted, we shape and bet to pet in the helmet sets had to be something else catching but simple because there wasn't much time. We also added the other logo what makes the show the print logo and my printing logo. I'm printing logo and the end we added the Instagram account. There's a mind but something showed it tell it's done and the real way something showing. And this little square is and tribute to a helmet that was made for Max. We couldn't enjoy it at Mount Metlo because after a crash and injury, the doctor actually didn't allow him to rise. I was left with the section of never seeing that helmet racing at Mount Melo. So at the last minute, I thought of adding this from La Teria, but is white with something showing according to him because he was very perfectionist. If you ever work with him in the future, you will see he very perfectionist and wouldn't deliver something until this 100% finished. Honestly, this racing this for me because I hate this racing and everything. Otherwise, if he didn't have to race, I would have taken it big and finished. It's probably it seemed very complex because we are used to original white of the helmet head. Then we really end the whole issue of using on color. Something complication happen and adjustment and needed, but at in the end it turned out great. Let on if you need we will do you catch up and next eye. But tomorrow we will have a helmet perfect for me. By the way, Java, let's say this is the video I am about to reach 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, if community keep growing, I have only been on YouTube for the mood and this becoming more and more people. Maybe we could do something special of just one person when he use 10,000 subscribers and special 10k celebration. What do you think? Maybe we could make a special helmet and happily as once we resting that number, or maybe not ever. I will get to keep that helmet on the wearing. No, I will keep the helmet until to rising the goal once we reach it because these people are very young and not always trustworthy. When we reach it, we will happily, and because that helmet wouldn't be belong to me, only the person who how when the it will no, I will keep the helmet until to rising to goal number once we reach that number, because these people are very young and not always trustworthy. So I will be the one gold links to helmet we friend. I hope